Number 7 RAF Police and Security Squadron provide policing and security support to the south of the UK. Based at RAF Benson and RAF Brize Norton in Oxfordshire, RAF Northolt in London, RAF Odiham in Hampshire and RAF St Mawgan in Cornwall. At RAF Benson, we protect the Puma Force as well as over 1,000 personnel from the threat of terrorism, espionage, sabotage, subversion and organised crime. 2020 has posed some unique challenges, and the RAF Police have been on hand to enforce social distancing and other measures in line with government guidance. When the national lockdown began to bite, our people went above and beyond, delivering welfare packages to the children in the local community.
Aviation Security Flight ASF is a unique element of the 7 RAF Police and Security Squadron, tasked specifically to provide security to the air mobility force. Dual armed with rifles and pistols, the 41 personnel of ASF are among the most highly trained RAF police, standing by to defend our aircraft, crew, passengers and cargo. We have enabled the provision of COVID-19 aid to British overseas territories, the repatriation of British nationals abroad and supported diplomatic missions worldwide. At home, members of ASF were on hand to provide repairs and improvements to an Oxfordshire school which had suffered storm damage.
RAF Brize Norton is the largest RAF station and home to the formidable Air Mobility Force. The RAF Police, Military Provost Guard Service, civil servants and military working dogs of Number 7 RAF Police and Security Squadron combine to defend over 7,000 personnel and the Air Mobility Force, ensuring that all continue their vital contributions to military operations and diplomacy. RAF Police Law Enforcement collaborates with Home Office Police and other external policing agencies to tackle organised crime. Protective security and military working dog teams deter terrorists, maintain our borders and keep our people vigilant. We provide security for government officials and diplomatic missions. When the threat from COVID-19 to operations was recognised in early 2020, RAF Police reservists were mobilised from across the UK to augment 7 Squadron support to air operations. Bringing a range of skills, experience and innovation, reservists are now fully integrated with regular RAF Police, ensuring that the screening and safety of aircraft, passengers and cargo has never faltered.
Throughout 2020, COVID-19 has affected us all, but at RAF Odiham, the men and women of 7 RAF Police and Security Squadron have continued to support the station, the Chinook Force and the wider Royal Air Force. This has included support to 2 Chinook incidents, one of which attracted national attention. Through direction and guidance and a range of other security outputs, the integrity of both aircraft was preserved and the reputation of the Royal Air Force maintained. Our protective security team has implemented control of entry, clearance and site access measures to assist major station projects, including runway resurfacing and a radar replacement programme. Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, the airfield at RAF Odiham has been used by Capital Air Ambulance to transfer patients from the Channel Islands to University Hospital Southampton. The RAF Police have provided escort to awaiting ambulances, helping to ensure a seamless transition into prompt critical care. As many people were forced to remain at home during lockdown, the RAF Police contributed to the mental and physical health of the local community. We published a mental health awareness newsletter and delivered medical prescriptions to those unable to leave their homes. In spite of extraordinary and evolving challenges, the RAF Police, Military Provost Guard Service and civil servants of 7 RAF Police and Security Squadron have continued to operate, to protect, to reassure and to ensure the Royal Air Force continues to serve the United Kingdom.